We perform the Zoom 3 for visiting lecturer program with Professor Dr. Ewis Fauzi Ewis Mahmud from National Research Center Egypt. Today, it is the continuing time to answer question of student by Prof. Ewis, because there was a trouble net in Zoom in 30 of March 2026. Yeah. I will show the remaining questions to Prof. Ewis, and Prof. Ewis can start to answer. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I want to share my screen.
Yes, I will screen the question. There are three remaining questions that you have to answer today.
Okay. Already?
Yes.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I'm very sorry about the problem techniques which occurred in the last lecture in Zoom because of rains and bad weather in Egypt. And so I will start now to answer the questions. For example, Dina. Hello, Totek and Prof. Ewis. My name is Dina and my friend Aliza. We would like to ask if two experiments use the same reactant concentrations, but different catalyst concentrations, how might the nucleation rate and resulting particle size differ and why? Okay. This is a good question, Dina. If you use the same experiment, two experiments, or the same reactant concentration, but different catalysis. Oh, no, Dina. The same reactant with different catalysis will produce and give you different, not different not different products, but maybe differ in the percentage of product, percentage of product, because you run the same reactants. Okay, so the two reactants or the or reactants with the same active sites in the two experiments, but the catalyst rule will different. As you know, the different concentration of the same catalyst, but you wrote different catalyst concentration. Okay, if you use the same catalyst with different concentration, you will afford it higher reaction rate, nucleation rate in the high concentration and the low nucleation rate in the low concentration. Okay, but if you use two different catalysis, you will get the same product with the different percentage of the product. Okay, the more efficient catalysis will give you the high percentage of the product. Okay, the resulting particles size differ. Yes, because when you use high concentration, you will give you one type of particle size, and when you use highly concentrated catalysis, will use another different size. Okay, because the rule of catalysis is different according to its concentration with active site in the I can say a small time rate. Okay, this is the first question. Next question topic.
Okay.
Is clear?
Okay. Next question. Next ya. Gak bisa mana tuh. Kok gak bisa, Beb? Hah? Loh, kok gak bisa dipindah, no? Gak bisa dipindah. Kok aneh gak bisa dipindah, no? Kan ini bisa. Okay, this is the second question.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name is
Salam.
Yacinda.
Afif,
I'm from
Afif.
group with Naila. Which one? I would like to ask question: how do temperature, pressure, and pH interact stimulously in hydrothermal senses to determine the overall reaction rate, and how can you distinguish the individual contribution of temperature and pressure given their interdependence? Okay, that also gets a good question because how to know temperature and pressure and pH. Now you have three factors. You asked about them: temperature, pressure, and pH. Okay. As you know, in hydrothermal systems, we use high temperature and high pressure. Okay. Temperature until optimal level, and also pressure. So when you use temperature and pressure in optimal zone, you will coordinate between the three factors: high temperature, high pressure, and suitable pH. When you use neutral pH in this, first high temperature, optimal temperature; second, high pressure, optimal pressure; and neutral pH. You now in your hydrothermal systems, so you will obtain the highly overall reaction rate, and you will obtain your desired product. Okay. And the second part of your question: how can we distinguish the individual contribution of temperature and the pressure? If you changed one of these factors, for example, temperature, when you rise the temperature from optimal to over that, you will change your overall interaction. If you change it, the pressure by high pressure or low pressure differ than your optimal pressure, also you will change the hydrothermal system condition. So you should to coordinate between the three factors: temperature, pressure, and pH. So, okay. Protect. My name is Rahmanti. Okay, and I am from group with Afifa. Okay, the others. I would like to ask question about how does the morphology material influence catalytic performance under the different pH condition. Why do changes in pH lead to variation in surface structure and active site? And is this important for real application? Okay, you have triple question in one. Okay, that's good. Good, this group. First part of your question: how does the morphology material influence catalytic performance under different pH conditions. Okay, this is the first part. There is a relation between catalytic performance, pH condition, and the morphology. You have three different pH conditions: acidic condition, neutral conditions, and basic condition. The hydrothermal reactions occurs at neutral pH condition. Why? Because you use water as a solvent in your reaction, and the pH of water is 7. So when you use water is now aqueous reaction, which is now with high temperature and high pressure. Its name is hydrothermal reaction. So when you use this pH with neutral, the desired material morphology will be influenced with your catalyst. So
Recording
you
stopped.
will, okay. Perfect. Listen me.
Anu, space. Anu,
Okay.
full. Oh, iya.
The voice is clear.
Anu, the saving is trouble because the full folder ada dipindahkan ya. Jadi dipindahkan. Bayangin ya. Jadi dia itu. Yes. With yeah.
You listen me.
Okay, yes, I can listen you. I try to move the folder from C to D because too full.
Okay.
Full in so Zoom cannot be safe. Yeah, trouble to save. Okay, record lagi ya.
Recording in progress.
Okay. Okay, Prof. Elvis, you can continue. I'm sorry.
Okay, so the first part of your question, Rahmanati, okay, the relation between morphology and your pH condition. I told you that pH is the three condition: basic, acid, and neutral. In hydrothermal catalysis, you should use water as your solvent. So your pH will be neutral. This gives you the desired morphology material. When you differ, when you use different pH, you will use different. When you got different morphology material, for example, if you wanted to use to get needles or powder or flower shapes, you will change just to change the pH condition with high temperature and high pressure. Okay, so changes of pH lead to variation in surface structure. If you use, for example, flat surface, it is differ from porous surface, and this lead you to different shape of your products in hydrothermal system. Okay. Okay, this is important for your application. According to you, the net results of your application, if you use, for example, photocatalytic reaction or catalytic reaction, other catalytic reaction for solar cell or others, you should to use different conditions of pH. Third one. Second question.
Yeah, enough. Okay. Now 10:30. It's mean that Prof. Ewis has fulfilled the time for visiting lecturer. However, if you still have question, I think Prof. Ewis is not apa itu keberatan Bapak? Keberatan itu offended. You apa bahasa Inggrisnya keberatan apa? Any question? Any question again? No? For visiting lecturer, it is enough, yeah, for all questions have been answered by Prof. Evis. Okay, and also the time has been enough and has been fulfilled.
Okay, if you do another question in your life about Egypt, or I'm ready to answer.
Iya, pertanyaan tentang kehidupan ya. You mean a question about your life, right?
My life in Egypt, or general life in Egypt, or general life. If any your one of your students to ask about Egypt, I'm ready.
Ngomong apa, Viv? Viv, kamu takon Viv ini. If you have any other questions, maybe not connected to the this chemistry, but maybe the other, I think you can give to Prof. Evis. About apa itu apa job opportunity and National Research Center Egypt.
For what?
For apa chemist.
Joining NRC.
Apa Viv? Apa Viv? Zona. Aku gak ngerti. Nggak ada ya? Nggak ada pertanyaan lagi? Oke, nggak ada. Dari mahasiswa nggak ada pertanyaan lain, boleh menanyakan yang bukan kimia, mungkin yang lainnya. Nggak ada? Nggak ada ya. Nggak ada. Apa? Oh ya, tolong off cam semuanya ya. Mau di off on cam ya, on cam sebentar untuk direkod ya. Terima kasih sekali ya mahasiswa yang masih bisa hadir. There are 20 students who can come or join in this Zoom tree to fulfill 100 visiting lecturer by Prof. Evis ya for this VLP 2026 program. Okay, please on cam for a while to record ya. Ya.
How many
Fadila,
students in your class?
Prima, ya.
How many students in your class?
How many students? 31.
31?
Yes.
All of them?
Apa Pip? Pardon me. 31 student, and then with Afif, you and me total
All of them is girls?
34. Should be 34,
all of,
but now
all
the
of
participant is 20.
All of them is girls? No boys?
Apa Afif? Oh no, there are some male students too.
Okay.
Ini Afifah Fahrial Zaki ini kurang ke atas, ini jidatnya tuh yang kelihatan. Kurang ke atas ya. Najla. Terus Afifah. Permai. Ini Afifah Fitria, Najla, Nazifa. Sebentar lagi, terus kemudian kita off cam lagi. Ini there is only one meal coming today. Ini Afifah Fitria, belum kelihatan. Terus sama Najla Nazifa. Nggak bisa. Maybe apa? Two students are going to other place, leaving the computer mungkin. Like, ya ini for Afif. Oh ini ada Afifah. Najla, Nazifa. Ini Nazifa kurang satu orang. Aduh, Nazila.
You have
Enggak.
we have one boy. Yes, Zaki?
One female. Nazla
One male.
Ini today only one male student coming. The
Yes,
name
just one
Fahrial
with Afif.
Zaki.
Zaki, yes.
Afif is not student. Afif is
I know.
assistant of the host.
Okay.
Assistant of the VLP host, not the student. Ini mana Najla ini kok lama ini nggak bisa kelihatan. Oh ya, maybe apa going to other place, ya. Ya sudah, terima kasih banyak ya. Kita boleh off cam lagi. Oke. Sudah ya, saya tutup ya. I close this Zoom 3 for visiting lecturer program as the continuing time for visiting lecturer for 30 of March 2026. Thank you very much for students who are kind, very much to give the time to fulfill the 100 time for Prof. Evis ya. I close. You can leave this Zoom ya. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And for Prof. Evis, you can still stay ya. Maybe you want to talk. Still remain 7 minutes.
Okay, we can talk. No
yes,
problem.
Please talking with Afif and I practice to listening. Terima kasih banyak ya. Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.